Hello everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report. Maurice in Maryland on the RCI 69 Base Plus. Maurice got it ready to go for you. Tune alignment, Toshiba regulator, and the water gate. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 3 watts all the way down, so you got plenty of adjustability. 30 all the way up. Average tower swing. Pegs the 50 watt scale, so we're gonna go 100. Low at 55. We'll go to peak. Pull the 100 watt slug out. The 250 watt slug. Top scale. Hello. 125. Alright, Maurice, it's ready to go, bud. We'll get it out to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.